Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel today. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, very quick and easy snacks. So yummy, I promise you. Welcome to the sunshine side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're welcome to my channel today. Making the snacks, the first thing I want to do is to prep for the protein. So in this video I made use of chicken breast. You can decide to use whatever protein of your choice, but you know I'm a chicken lover, so definitely I'm going to stick with chicken. So into the chicken, my chicken is well cut. I cut it into tiny pieces, so whichever protein you want to use, make sure that it is tiny, it is cut in tiny pieces. Then all you need to do is just to season it. So I season my chicken with paprika, salt, coriander, sage, rosemary and some other spices. So like I usually say, whatever spices you're familiar with, you are comfortable with, make sure that you use that to season your protein. So once that is done, so I'm going to place the chicken in the fridge for 10 minutes for it to marinate, and then I'm moving into prep my vegetables. So in this video I try to make it as very easy and very simple and use basic ingredients, so I don't go overboard with the ingredient. So this is very easy to make. The filling of this is very easy to make, so you can decide to tweak yours, you can decide to add more things to your own, but I'm just going with the simplest thing. So into my saucepan I added some butter, I'm going to melt it. I'm going to add some chopped onions, garlic and ginger. Then I added my seasoned chicken and I'm going to allow the chicken to cook until it is brown. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. As so my chicken here is already cooked, so I just added some more onions and garlic and ginger, and then I added carrots, bell pepper and some crushed pepper, and then I give this a stir. To this I'm going to add some cornstarch water. This is to thicken the sauce. You can decide to add your meat stock or whatever stock that you have. So like I said, you can tweak the sauce whichever form you want to. You can decide to add mutton, you can decide to add cream, you can decide to add cheese. So whichever one you want to do, just go with the flow. Like I said, this is a quick and easy snack, so that's why I'm just trying as much as possible to go with the basic ingredients. So I just made some flour and water to form a paste. This paste is going to serve as my glue. As we proceed, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So this is just a tortilla wrap or a shawarma wrap or a bread. So whichever wrap you want to use, you can use the samosa and spring roll wrap. You can decide to use bread, you can decide to use the tortilla, you can decide to even use any wrap, white bread, brown bread of your choice. So I'm just using the paste that I just made earlier to just seal, to just put on the top. This is going to serve as my seal, and I'm going to be forming a cone with this. So just watch and see what I'm talking about. After forming the cone, insert some parchment paper in the middle. This is to prevent the cone from coming together when you are baking this. This step is very important. Do not forget to insert the cone, as this will just cluster together if you don't do that. So insert the cone in the middle of the cone and move to the next process. So keep watching and enjoy. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, like I said before, you are highly welcome. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're welcome to my channel today. So do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification button to get notified when I drop new videos, do not forget to give this video a like and comment below. I would love to hear from you. My uploading days are Fridays and Sundays, 5:30 p.m. Nigerian time. And to all my OGs, to those that keep returning to watch my videos, thank you so much. I see all your like or your comments, everything. Thank you so much. If you have any question regarding to this video, do not forget to comment below. And as well, you can check my other previous recipe and you get to see some exciting, amazing cooking, some tea, some many deliciousness in my channel. So do well to click on the link that will be appearing towards the end of this video, or you can go to the description box and click on those links and you are in for some yumminess and deliciousness. Once you're done preparing your corn, brush off with some butter. So the butter is going to make your bread tasty and it's going to make your bread soft and shiny. And then you bake this in a preheated oven for just 5 minutes, and that's all. So make sure you brush all the sides, and when you are baking, bake on both sides for 5 minutes in total, and then you bring out and your fine beautiful corn is ready. Remove the parchment paper and add in your filling. Like I said, you can tweak the filling whichever way you want to. You can decide to add mayonnaise to this. I'm not really a fan of mayonnaise. I wanted to go with it, but I'm not so much of a fan of mayonnaise, so I do not go. You can decide to add salad cream or whatever filling or cream that you want to add and mix this with your filling, and I promise you it's so delicious. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. So just make sure that you fill the pockets enough with your filling. So this, like I said, is a very easy snacks to make. Like, it's almost the festive season. I know if you just want to give your visitors some new treats, this is it. Easy to make, less stress, and it's so beautiful. I promise you, so beautiful, and it's very filling as well. So yummy. Just a trial will come this sale, so just give this a try. Like I said, you can see it is very easy, right? See, there's no much thing to do. Very easy to make. so yummy and very, very delicious. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.